There are several methods for drawing lines. The first method is to drag and drop horizontal or vertical lines from the library's pane onto the canvas. The second method is to use the pen tool to draw. Click to add an anchor point, and there is a line between the two anchors. You can draw straight lines or curves. The third method is to connect to widget by drawing connecting lines between widgets. Click the button on the Style toolbar. The mouse will change to connector mode. When the mouse moves over the widget, you can see the connector point and drag the line to another widget's connector point. You can see that two widgets are connected together through a line. Even if you drag the widget, the line will not break. The thickness of the line can be adjusted using the up and down arrow buttons on the Style toolbar. The color button next to it allows you to adjust the line color. You can adjust the pattern of the lines to dash lines. You can also adjust the head and tail ends of the arrows.